Here's how to install our OCAM Electric Side Steps for the Mazda BT-50. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Each of the brackets are labelled for their respective position on the vehicle, such as left middle, left rear, left front. Note that the bracket with the motor should be installed in the middle with the arm facing outwards. Use these bolts and washers for each of the side step arms. Note that we've included some spacer washers in case you need to lower the side steps away from the body. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 6 bolts holding in each of the factory side steps and remove from the vehicle. It's easier to install the side step brackets when the entire assembly is disassembled. Install the body brackets onto the vehicle in their respective positions using the new hardware. Make sure to use spring and flat washers. Once each bracket is installed, tighten the body brackets using a 13mm socket, but leave the arm bracket bolts loose as you may need to adjust them when installing the side steps. Repeat this process for the remaining brackets. Attach the side steps by sliding the aluminium blocks into each arm and secure using the two 4mm Allen bolts per block. For the wiring, you will need to take apart some of the interior trim of the vehicle. Remove the door sill plates by pulling them upwards. This is where you'll need to install the control box. There are 2 wiring harnesses for each side of the vehicle that piggyback off the door sensor plugs. Disconnect the factory wire, then attach the piggyback harness and route the extra wires along the factory harness that runs along the floor. Secure the excess with zip ties. Underneath the vehicle, there are 2 circular holes that feed into the cabin. Drill a hole for the motor power wires and feed them through from the inside outwards and route them towards each motor. Secure the slack along existing cable runs using zip ties and seal the holes with silicone sealant. Route the power wire up into the engine bay and connect it to the positive terminal. Cable manage the wires from the interior and connect it to the control box. Test by opening the doors and see if the motor engages. Once each side step is installed, secure the body brackets using a 13mm socket. Test once again by opening and closing the door. And there you have it. Your OCAM electric side steps are installed.